Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day and an even better week. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 altcoin picks for 2023 and beyond. The reason I'm making this video is because Bitcoin has had a nice rebound from the lows from the FTX contagion and panic. And with the halving coming up in 2024 and us currently being in a recession, I figured now would be a good time to talk about my strategy moving forward in crypto, because I've been getting a lot of questions asking me, what altcoins are you invested in? How much risk are you taking right now? Etc., etc. So right before I jump into it, if you guys can consider liking the video, subscribing, and commenting down below, that would help a ton. So Ethereum is going to be the number one first altcoin pick. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain system that features its own crypto ETH. It works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies, as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. So right now it's number 2 on the market cap. In addition to smart contracts, ETH's blockchain is able to host other cryptocurrencies called tokens through its use of ERC20 compatibility standard. They also just went through an ETH 2.0, which is the merge, and the EIP 1559 upgrade. So a lot of things have been going on with ETH recently. So they renamed it to the merge. This is supposed to make ETH deflationary instead of inflationary, and it was supposed to help reduce their fees. So it'll be interesting to see where their fees and their inflationary versus deflationary model goes moving forward as far as their total supply. So here you can see a lot of statistics here with the current price being $1,500, and we can go and see even what happened in the last bull cycle. So for the price predictions, I'm going to go ahead and do those at the end. So definitely stay tuned because those are going to be very important. So for the next altcoin, let's talk about Arweave. Arweave's sitting at not even in the top 100, so definitely something that's being slept on a little bit right now. Arweave is a decentralized storage network that seeks to offer a platform for the indefinite storage of data. It describes itself as a collectively owned hard drive that never forgets. So the network primarily hosts the permaweb, a permanent decentralized web. So if this decentralized web narrative takes off, I think Arweave will be one to kind of fly into the top 50, maybe even top 40, right? So it's something to keep an eye on. Same thing with Ethereum, right? Each one of these altcoins has its own narrative. Not only does it have its own narrative, they have real fundamentals backing it, right? The narrative for ETH would be smart money, right? The narrative for Arweave would be the decentralized web. So moving on to number 3, let's talk about Cosmos. Cosmos, or Atom, as people refer to it, it bills itself as a project that solves some of the hardest problems facing the blockchain industry. It aims to offer the antidote to slow, expensive, unscalable, and environmentally harmful proof-of-work protocols, those like Bitcoin, by offering an ecosystem of connected blockchains. So the project's goals include interoperability between blockchains, right? So it consists of 3 layers: the application layer, the networking layer, and the consensus layer. So currently right now, Atom is sitting at number 20. It had a big run up this last bull run. And it's something that I'm going to keep an eye on, is this interoperability narrative between blockchains. I think is going to get more and more hot as more and more blockchains come up. I don't think it's going to be a winner-take-all type of situation when it comes to blockchains, so I think there's going to be a little piece of the pie for everyone here. And speaking about Ethereum and scalability, we have Polygon, which is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. So it's an easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of applications. So Polygon, formerly known as Matic, is layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project seeks to stimulate mass adoptions of cryptocurrency by resolving the problems of many scalability on many blockchains. So it combines the Plasma framework and the proof-of-stake blockchain architecture. So basically what Polygon does, it's a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. So as I talked about before, in Ethereum has some scaling solutions. So Polygon can go ahead and help it scale on the layer 2. And as far as layer 2s go, it was a very hot narrative. As you can see, it ran up big last cycle. It was definitely the most relevant and most fundamentally sound layer 2 in my opinion, and I think they actually had a lot of things going for them and real use case behind them. finally, we're going to talk about Mina Protocol. So Mina Protocol is a minimal, succinct blockchain built to curtail computational requirements in order to run dApps more efficiently. So it's described as the world's lightest blockchain since its size is designed to remain constant despite its growth in usage. So its size always stays the same despite its growth in usage. It's able to run dApps efficiently, right? And its main objective is an efficient distributed payment system that enables users to natively verify the platform right from the Genesis block. This technical white paper calls that the succinct blockchain, right? And it talks about here how it functions a little more if you want to learn about how the Mina blockchain functions. I think new blockchains popping up are going to be very hot. As you can see, this was a new project in 21. When new projects usually come out in the ICO, it usually gets dumped on, as you saw here. Then we had the big run up back in 2021, late 21, and this big dump now to where we are. So let's jump right into the price predictions. So for these price predictions, obviously don't take them to heart. Have a plan and understand that all these altcoins are not at levels where I'm buying right now. I might be waiting for certain levels to buy, and I'm not taking unnecessary risk right now. For the most part, I'm just holding Bitcoin and Ethereum until the market gets hot. When the market gets hot, that's when I'll take on extra risk and start going in heavier into altcoins. So what I did is I used the last cycle and different models from the previous cycles to go ahead and get potential market caps for the next cycle after the next halving. So keep in mind that these price predictions are not going to be 100% accurate, of course. They're just my opinion. It's not financial advice. And understand that these might be for 2025, most likely, as that's where the cycle might top out, if history is any indicator for the future. So for Ethereum, this is kind of like the base for the altcoins. If your risky altcoins are not outperforming Ethereum, you shouldn't be in them, right? So when we're in a bear market, you don't want to be in risky altcoins because you're going to bleed even more. That's why I'm just in Bitcoin or Ethereum or even cash right now. So Ethereum, I'm going to go ahead and put it at $12,000. That's going to be a 3x from the previous all-time high, which is around 4.5. And that's going to be an 8x return from the current price of about $1,500. So not too bad, right? Ethereum, something definitely to keep an eye on. Cosmos or Atom, I'm going to put it at $120. So as you can see, the returns are getting a little bit higher as the risk gets a little bit higher. That's going to be a 10x return from current price. So let's see what narratives are going to be hot. I think AI is also going to be a hot narrative. So keep an eye on new altcoins popping up. I think new coins always have an insane potential as well. So you have to be watching the market at all times. But Atom and Cosmos definitely one to keep an eye on. Polygon, I think layer 2 scaling for Ethereum. Ethereum's going to stay a top dog, so they're going to need scaling solutions. I'm going to put Polygon at $12, which is a 12.5x return from current price. I think they did like something like 100x plus in the last cycle, which was amazing, but I think they're a little more defined as a project now. People have discovered them. I don't think they're necessarily going to do that crazy of return. And you have to also understand that crypto sees diminishing returns when it comes to each cycle. Each cycle goes up less and less when it comes to the magnitude of the returns. Mina Protocol or blockchain, I'm going to put it as a $10. It's a new project. It's going to be one of the higher risk ones because of that, but that's going to put you at a potential 20x return from the current price of about 50 cents. And then finally, Arweave. We're going to have Arweave at $300, which would put us at a 33x from the current price. So definitely keep an eye on Ethereum, Arweave, Cosmos, Polygon, and Mina. They're all going to be great projects for this next cycle. And I think as the next cycle develops, I'll make more videos on what moves I'm making. Definitely have a plan, have a strategy, but crypto has insane returns and can definitely bring you 100x returns even in one cycle, right? So if you guys like these types of videos, definitely let me know by liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you guys want some free crypto, definitely check out my affiliate links below to sign up for Coinbase or different exchanges. And you guys can get free crypto. I'm going to keep pumping out these videos, so I appreciate all the support. Thanks.